Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is BRcrochet. I hope you are good. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make this skirt. It's a plain skirt. So today we're going to be learning how to make this skirt using this color. I'm using lilac as my color. You can use any color of your choice, but I'm using lilac. So you're going to use balls of yarn. I used a 4.0 mm hook. You can use 3.5, 3.75. I'm using a 4.0 mm hook. Your pair of scissors, of course, to cut out your threads, and a tape measure. So this is everything you'll be needing for this kit. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let's get right into class. So I'm going to begin with the band. So I'm going to make a slip stitch. Then make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will skip 2 chain, which is 1, 2, and walk into the third with half double crochet. Half double crochet. You put through all. Yarn over, go in, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops. Put through all. Yarn over, go in, pull up a loop. Put through all. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Put through all. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Put through all. So you have 12 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 double crochet. Now you're going to maintain the 8 double crochet till you have your waist measurement. Chain 2, turn. Into the first stitch, you're going to have 1 half double crochet. So into every other stitches, you have 1 half double crochet up until the end. So I have hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 2, turn. Continue with your 8 double crochet till you have your waist measurement. My original waist measurement is 29 inches, but I'm going to work with 25 inches because it's going to stretch to 29 inches. So I'm going to continue going 8 half double crochet till the end of 26 inches. So I still have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to maintain your 8 double crochet. You make sure that you have a straight line here, and you also have a straight line here. Chain 2, turn, half double crochet into your 8 stitches. I have my 26 inches of band here. So by the time I join it together, then I'm going to have my complete or exact 26 inches. So to join, I'm going to chain 2, connecting to this first part. You make 1 half double crochet. Connecting to the next stitch, make one half double crochet. So you're going to continue like that. You're going to continue connecting to all the stitches. So now my band is connected. Now I'm going to take my measurement again. So right now I have exactly 13 inches. So make a chain of 2. Then into every stitch you're going to have 2 half double crochet. 2 half double crochet into every stitches. So a stitch is going to have 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. Two half double crochet into one stitch. So you'll be doing this for this row. You'll be having 2 half double crochet into every stitch. So I'm getting to the last stitch. I'm going to make a slip stitch in between these 2 stitches here. Make a chain of 2, then turn. So you turn to this other parts. I worked on this part, now I'm turning to this part. So I'm going to make 1 double crochet into all stitches. For this part I'm not going to be increasing. It's just 1 double crochet into all stitches. So whatever you have now, you should be able to stretch to your hip measurements. So it's 1 double crochet per stitch. So you should be having this. So once I'm done with the second row, then I'm going to take my measurement again to see what I'm having. So I'm back to this last stitch. I'm going to make a slip stitch here also. So at every end point of your row, you are going to make a slip stitch, chain 2, then turn. But before you turn, I'm going to take my measurements. So right now I have 30 inches and it's going to stretch to 36 to 37 inches. You stretch to 38 inches. So as we keep moving, then it's going to keep increasing or remain in this position. But for the next 5 rows, it's going to like increase to whatever weight measurements you're working on. So I'm back to this end point again. I'm not going to have my half double crochet into the stitch because I already have it here. So once you have your half double crochet here, then it means you are increasing. So I'm just going to slip stitch and it's closed already. So I have 1 double crochet into each, chain 2, then you're going to turn and have your half double crochet here. So continue with your 1 half double crochet, and we are making a total of 8 rows before we are back to take our measurement again. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have my 8 rows here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can count by this line. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 8 rows here. So now I'm going to take my measurement to check if I have if it's going to stretch to my hip measurement. So here I have 34 inches, which is going to stretch to 40 inches. So here, for these inches I have 5 inches, but the normal hip point is 10 inches. So my skirt length is going to be 14 inches, so I'm just going to continue until I have my 40 inches as my skirt length. So this is what my skirt is looking like. I have my 14 inches here. So I have my 14 inches length. So this is going to be my skirt length. From my waist to my hip point is 10 inches. So here is the hip point, and I'm having 36 inches as my hip point. Then down here I'm having the same thing. For my waist I still have my 16 inches. And this is what it's looking like on the inside and the outside. The inside and the outside is the same thing, so there's no front panel or back panel or inner part and outer part. But for the sides where I have my join this is it. So you can decide to make this your outside or make these parts your outside, but I think I'll make the inner part my outside. So this is the joining point, and this is either going to be by the side or at the back. I'm going to keep it by the side. So now I'm going to end my skirt here. So cut out your yarn, pick up a strand, then tight, you have any excess yarn, you can trim it out. So now I'm going to fix in my drawstring. I have 4 strand yarn, so I'm going to start with the slip knots. So now I'm going to make a chain long enough for my drawstring. A very long chain. So I have my long chain here. So now I'm going to, since my joining part or my joining point is going to be by the side, so just going to pick up a middle point and fix in my drawstring. So I'm going to go in and out from the second row. So you continue going in and out like that until you are back to this middle point. I'm done my drawstring. So I'm just going to and here my skirt is ready. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.